Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a fill on Polygel nails, and I'm also going to be reviewing this jelly nail polish kit that I got on Amazon from Makartt. Makartt is also the brand that I use for my polygel nails, so I'll have everything linked in the description box. I'm also going to add a little disclaimer in here. As you can see, I am not a professional nail tech. I just do this as a hobby. It also saves me a lot of money. Like, spending that money to get your nails done is probably around like $100 a month, and I just don't have the money to be going back every month to get my nails done, and plus I'm already like really cheap, so I just don't feel the need to spend $100 every month on my nails when I can easily do them myself. You will also see why this hand is a little bit different in color than this one. I am left-handed, so you know it's pretty hard to work on your left hand when you're left-handed, so that's why these may look a little different. But yeah, if you guys like the way these look, then just stay tuned. So first, let's talk about this new nail polish that I just got. I got this off of Amazon. It is the Jelly Nail Polish from Makartt. I got this for 20 bucks on Amazon, which is, I think, a super good deal to get 6 colors. So I haven't opened it yet. So let's see what the green looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh my god. So this is what the green looks like. I think I'm just gonna do swatches on my nails just to show you guys. Since it's gel, I can just wipe it right back off. And of course it's going to look a tad bit different than other like jelly nails because my nails, my color is a natural pink and it's not a clear. Oh wow, that's pretty. So this is what the crystal green looks like. It's more of like a neon yellow, but that might just be because I have on natural pink on my nails and not clear. All right, now we have crystal orange. So this one is a neon color too, really cute. I don't know what that is. That might just be a part of the brush. So I guess that's one thing to look out for. Oh, okay, I didn't get it off. So there goes the orange. Crystal rose red. Ooh, this one looks really cute. Oh my god, that's pretty. What? I think I want to use this one. That's really, really bright. Super neon pink. It's like a hot pink. Crystal violet. Purple's really pretty. Oops, I still got some of the pink on there. I have the crystal sky blue. I'm trying to like pack it on just right now, just so you can kind of see what it would look like with 2 coats. And that's the blue. That one's pretty too. And now we have the last one, which is a crystal dark blue. So that's what this one looks like. I would have to say my favorite right now would probably be the pink one and this dark blue, just because they're so potent. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by kind of taking down where my nail bed is, because with polygel nails, if you do it too thick around the cuticle, you kind of get this like layer right there, if you can see it. So I'm gonna take that down a little bit with my nail file, and then I'm just gonna buff out the whole nail and take off the top coat. So this is the nail drill that I got from Amazon. It's called Melody Susie. It was, I think, $17.99, and it came with all of these, and then it also came with a pack of these. But yeah, I will put a link in the description box for everything in this video: the nail polish, the kit, my nail drill, and then my lamp. I also got my lamp off of Amazon. I think this one was $23. I'm not really sure about how many watts it is or how strong it is. I'm gonna put that in the description box as well, but I think it's a 48, and it comes with a 30 and 60 seconds. For this one, if you have this one, I would suggest to put your nails under for 60 seconds and not 30, because under 30 it's still kind of like wet. But yeah, so let's just get started. So after you take off the top coat, you want to go ahead and get a paper towel and dip it in some rubbing alcohol. You want to make sure you're using 70%. I would say 70 because everywhere else I read it's 70. I've used 90 before, and I feel like it's just not the same. So right now I'm going to just wipe all the dust off of my nails to kind of see if I got everything filed away correctly. Yep, so that's what it looks like after I file everything away. Now with the kit that I got from Amazon, I'm going to go in with the base gel and just put it on the cuticles, and then I'm also going to put it a little bit up towards the nail just in case I get any of the polygel on this and I don't want it to fall off. With the base gel, you want to make sure that you are doing a very thin coat. If you do anything thick, you're gonna get heat spikes, which is basically when it feels like your fingernails are on fire underneath the lamp, which sucks because it hurts like hell. So after you put the base gel on, you're going to cure your nails for 60 seconds.
You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So after you cure your nails with the base coat, you want to go ahead and get a little container or a little bowl or some sort, and you're just going to put some rubbing alcohol in it. Put that to the side, and then you're going to use the brush that came with it. I'm so sorry if everything looks like super like gross, but polygel is super sticky and it sticks to everything, so that's why my stuff looks like this. So I'm going to take a little bit now and put it on the brush, and I'm just going to fill it like how you would, or how you would see it if you went to a nail salon. That's one thing about polygel, it's super fucking sticky, so if you mess up, you gotta mess to clean. So I guess I'm just gonna fill it like that because the dual form didn't really work for me. So now I'm just going to cure this for 30 seconds and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take my file and just kind of smooth it down, because since I had to fill it like that, it got kind of bumpy. Okay, so this is what it looks like after smoothing it out. This one's kind of messy since we used the dual form and we filled it in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hand. I'm gonna do it exactly how I did this one. I don't think I'm gonna use the dual form. I'm just going to take a small bit, put it there, flatten it out. One thing that kind of sucks about Polygel is it's the same consistency throughout, so it's kind of hard to, like, usually if you see acrylic, it's like a big glob and then it flattens out so well. With Polygel, it's kind of different, so we're just gonna have to see what happens.
Around the next corner. Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So this is what it looks like after shaping. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a color and put on my jelly polish. I think I'm gonna go with the crystal green. So I'm going to go in with my drill and just kind of make sure that everything is flat at the cuticle. This is probably the only part that sucks about not being able to use the dual form, is that you have to worry about bumpiness, because if you just use the dual form to give yourself a fill, it wouldn't be necessary to do this part because it would already come out smooth. But I'm just double checking because I don't want my polish to look really bumpy.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner. Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So now I'm just gonna go in with the top coat. Make sure I'm gonna do a small layer because I don't want it to be, or a thin layer because I don't want it to be chunky. taking some more of the alcohol and I'm just gonna wipe off my nail just to make sure that it's done. And I'm pretty sure that color is coming from the color that was sitting around my skin. So this is what my nails are looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my other hand. Wish me luck because I'm left-handed and now I have to do my left hand, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really like the way these came out, even though we had a lot of difficulties in this video. The color is actually really bomb. I like the green. I like the yellow at first, but I don't know. I think I was just expecting a green, so now I'm like in the mood for green. So I just put that light blue over it, and this is how I got this pretty green color. The reason why my hands are a little bit of a different color is because you see that I started off with yellow on this hand, and then I just went ahead and did one coat yellow, one blue, and I did 2 coats yellow and 1 blue on this one. So for reference, this is what it looks like. Yeah, so if you guys have any comments or questions, let me know down below. And you can go ahead, and I also want to know what you guys think. What was your favorite color that I tried on, and what color do you think I should have went with? Because now I'm kind of like, dang, maybe I should have went with the purple, or maybe I should have went with the orange. Who knows? That's just how every girl is when it comes to nails, I feel like. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram right here, and you can watch my next video in this corner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.